Are you really good at tree work but lack the marketing to grow your business in 2025? Then I have a solution for you. In this video, I'm going to list the top 3 best tree service marketing ideas and show you exactly how you can do this yourself to instantly start getting results tomorrow. Number 1, you should have done this from the start, but you need to set up a Google My Business account. If you're not present online in this day and age, you're missing out on a lot of jobs. Let me show you how this works. Most people should have a tree company on Google My Business. So as you see in this example, this is what a Google My Business is. It shows the company name, it shows the review, the 5 stars, it shows the website. If you click on here, it brings you directly to a website. And then you can go ahead and click on this for reviews, and then you can see all of the views posted here, and you can go through all the reviews, and it looks so credible, has pictures and really good videos connecting all their Facebook, Instagram, all their profiles. So this is the first thing I would do when actually running your company, because you're going to get organic presence online. So when someone types in, tree service near me, the more reviews that you have and the better that your Google My Business profile is, the more jobs you're going to get organically. So I'd say if you're just starting out, definitely get this installed and start building up your credibility from there. If you've been in business before, you can go ahead and ask a bunch of your previous clients to send you reviews and kind of boost it automatically that way. You also may be wondering, how do you get reviews? Now, we do have a review collecting system to make sure that you're only getting in 4 to 5 star ratings online. And the way we do this is through a form just like this. So you can have the homeowner come out here, fill out their names, their phone number, and their email. And then you ask, what do you rate us out of 5 stars? And if they collect 5, they click submit. It's going to bring them automatically to the Google My Business review page, where they can then leave a 5-star review, share their photos, whatever they need to do, and click on post. Now, if I go back and I do the same exact thing again, it's going to say, I'm sorry for your concern. And it says, please leave us any feedback for improvements. And then I can go here and say, you guys suck. So if that company sucks, they can click submit and it won't be no issue. It's not going to bring them directly to Google. It's just going to say thank you just for taking the time to complete the survey, and you don't have to worry about collecting that 2-star review on your Google. And this is how you're able to get 98 Google reviews on your page. It's through a simple form just like this to collect reviews. So you don't have to waste time and credibility collecting the 1, 2, and 3-star reviews. You can focus on those 4 or 5 to boost the rating fast. This leads to number 2. Having a CRM platform such as Go High Level with website templates and custom values. You should have a way to organize your sales process even from day one. If you think about it, sales is the most important aspect of your business that you have full control over. This way, you can store all of the leads in one place so you can follow up having a systemized process. A bonus part of this software is you can also store your website on there, so you don't have to spend thousands getting one made for you. I have a snapshot that you can download with my custom website template, so you can install this yourself. Just click the link in the description to get access. So let's hop into Go High Level for a second, and let me show you a breakdown of what a CRM should look like. So as you see here on the left, we're in contacts, so any leads that you get either organically or through paid advertising, or if it's just word of mouth, referrals, anything like that, you can send them to a CRM system, so you can have them all logged in one location where you can call, text them, communicate them, email them, all through one place. I'm going to break down more on how High Level actually works, but for today, I'm going to show you what you can do for websites. So if you come over to Sites on High Level, click Websites, and we can go here to this custom branded one that I made and I built out for you. By the way, you can get the website for yourself in the link in the description. But here's one of the websites we made for one of our clients. And as you see, it looks really, really nice. You have really a trusted page with a form at the top. It shows people how they work, the before and afters, where their service areas are, any trust banners just like this. And if they click get your free estimate, they'll get targeted right back up to the top where they can become a lead through the form. If they go to About page, we have an About page that looks pretty nice as well. We have a contact page. The contact page, pretty much just if they have a question, they could become a lead this way. And then we have book a free estimate. If they click on that, they can actually go directly to a calendar page where they can then become a booking, not only just a lead, but they can go ahead and select the time and put in their address details to become a booking. And all of this is done through High Level, so you don't have to worry about anything. You can get all 4 of these pages custom templated for you, so you can go just easily click on edit. You can come in here and click on and rearrange, type anything else you want. And there's custom values in here as well. That way you don't have to write out the company name for every single page. It'll automatically update as you create the account on High Level. You can come here and add whatever you want. Makes it super easy to make a website. So look, if I click the plus button, you can add different columns. You can have headlines, subheadlines, paragraphs. You can add videos, images, testimonials. And as you see, it's super easy, drag and drop. There's no custom code. You could realistically do this yourself. This is how we make all our websites. Very simple to make, and we can get some really clean, sleek designs for you. So like I said, if you are interested in getting the website template below, just click the link in the description. You can get access. The last most important marketing idea that your company can implement today is start running ads. This will generate warm leads in your local area that need to be scheduled for a free estimate. No matter if you're just starting today or if you have been in business for the last 3 years already, you need to run ads to get jobs. However, there's a lot that goes into running ads, such as making ad creatives, running and managing a campaign, linking a CRM software, talking and communicating with all the leads on time, creating a booking system, and having an ROI tracker to see how much money you're making back from the ads. So the best way to put it is we run ads on Facebook just like this. This is an example campaign from one of our current clients. And as you see, I'm just going to put in the last 30 days. They've only spent $393 so far on the campaign. We're getting them $9 leads, and we got them a total of 40 leads so far. And I'd say it's been about a week and a half since we started this campaign. Now, if I actually jump into the ads itself, here's an example of one of the ads that we made for this client. Do you live in Pulaski County and want to save up to $500 on professional tree removal services? So as you see, we make some custom videos that look something like this. We also have some picture ones, so that's something that look a little bit like this. So pretty much we're going to take this in your local area, and then we're going to route the leads directly to a form. So as you see, we asked 2 questions. The first one we ask is how many trees do you need removed? And the second one is tell us briefly about your tree service project in 2 to 3 sentences. From there, we collect their contact info, and then it routes them to a thank you page where we actually call the leads up immediately as soon as submitting. And then from there, we get in contact with them through High Level, the platform I showed you before on how to make the websites. We connect and link a phone number where we're able to call the leads and text them through text messages just like this, where we're finally able to get a hold of them, have a conversation.
Maybe can give me an estimate on trimming it back, trimming it down.
So as you see, we're able to collect their information, record all the phone calls, and then book them for a date and time. And then you're able to get text messages that look exactly like this, has all the lead info, and we can go down and send you all of these different appointments that are coming in day by day. And lastly, we need to be able to track your performance to make sure that we're spending the right amount of money on the right campaign. And we actually build out a data tracker to give you exactly how much money you spend on ads, your impressions, your click-through rate, cost per click, your opt-in rate, and then you get your cost per lead, your cost per appointment, and your cost per quote. And then down here at the bottom, you'll be able to know how many people paid, your cost per close, your closing ratio, and your ROI, which is the most important value of this entire tracking sheet, is to be able to track your return on ad spend to know how much money went in and how much money you made back. Now you can learn all of this for the fraction of a price. However, you need to learn all of these different skills to get it to work. And not only that, but I'm assuming that you're very busy with your company already. You're probably taking estimates, phone calls, and making sure your crew is good on the job sites. The point I'm trying to make is that you're already running a full-time business. So do you really have time to implement everything yourself? Probably not. So this is where you can work with me and my partner Evan here at Summit Boost. We handle all of the marketing ourselves with a custom sales rep team that calls and qualifies all of your leads before booking them onto your calendar. All you receive are text messages with the booking date, the lead's name, the phone number, email, address details, along with 4 qualifying questions that gain insights before arriving to their home. So if you're interested, then click the link in the description to book a call with me, and we can get your ads launched within the next 5 days from now. See you soon.